What is up, YouTube? This is Juggernaut Zernos. I'm back here with another video, and this is my fourth video of the day. I can't remember what video it was, man. I'm losing my mind here right now. But no, that's my fourth video of the day. And we're gonna be unboxing Night of Champions 2010. On the cover we got Orton. So let's crack into this. Oh, this one's actually not that hard to open. Before this video, I did the unboxing of breaking the code behind the walls of Chris Jericho. So you guys can feel free to watch that one. And before that video, I did Elimination Chamber 2011 unboxing. Unbox that. Man, why do they have these sticky things on top? That's retarded. I should not use that language on here. Sorry. Everybody. Frickin'. Give me a second, guys. No, last time I don't remember these being on here. Security stickers. Why did they freaking put this on here? Here we go. Okay. So this got this unboxed. So we got cover Randy Orton. I like this cover right here. It's actually a pretty good cover. And the disc, we have Night of Champions 2010. In the back we have the matches. So I can't see some of them really. No holds bar for the World Heavyweight Championship. Kane vs. Undertaker. We also have 6-pack challenge for WWE Championship. You guys can't see that very well. John Cena. Ooh, let me get that glare out of the way. You guys can't see that well. Hold on, but I'll just tell you. John Cena versus Randy Orton versus Edge versus Chris Jericho versus Wade Barrett. And then we have the United States Championship match. The United States Champion The Miz versus Daniel Bryan. Also have Big Show versus CM Punk. There was the pushing Punk in an Intercontinental Championship match. Intercontinental Champion Dolph Ziggler with Vicky Guerrero versus Kofi Kingston. We have a Tag Team WWE Championship match. WWE Tag Team Champions The Hart Dynasty with Natalya versus Mark Henry and Evan Bourne. Evan Bourne, haven't saw his name in a while. This was back in 2010, so that's when he was still in WWE. And then we also have Santana Morello and Vladimir Kozlov versus Drew McIntyre and Dashing Cody Rhodes versus the Usos with Tamina. And then we also have the undisputed Lumberjack match for the Divas and Women Tag Team Championship. Melina. Oh, Melina. I haven't saw her name also. And I forgot she was in WWE back then. Versus WWE Champions Lay Cool, Michelle McCool. Home video exclusive. Kane reacts to Victory Night Champions September 19th, 2010. So, yeah. That's Night Champions 2010. So, feel free to leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you back. Also, you guys can follow me on Twitter at TheTrueJSB. That's going to be down in the description again at TheTrueJSB. And I'll also follow you back on Twitter if you guys follow me on Twitter. So, yeah. One more unboxing to do after this. And then I'm done doing unboxings for today, so peace.